hungry. Where will I go? I will go to hotel. Follow me. Yes. This is Maxi. Come here. Thank you very much. Come here.
Where will you go, mister? Where will you go, mister?
I went to hotel.
Okay, I will accompany you to hotel nearby in the there.
Yes, of course.
Where are you from, mister?
I am from I am from California, America.
Oh, what do you purpose to Indonesia?
I propose to tourism temple in Indonesia.
Oh, good. Cultural Indonesian in beautiful.
Yes.
Mister, it's hotel nearby in the there.
Yes.
Welcome to our hotel. Follow me. Action the Good night, mister.
Good day.
What can I help you?
I need to room. Yeah.
Okay, I can check in rooms.
Yes.
This is Guest Card, room 115.
This is a paper.
This Guest Card, and then and this carry quest.
Thank you.